go.
Answer your scale representing active overall. Starting with Sarali Kaya.
Women's bar. Or dumbbell.
Dumbbell 25 pounds.
Okay. Pero di siya magpakalipay. Ready? Ha? Done na. Magpakilala na. Bloss! Si Bloss! Bloss, ready? Bloss, ready? Sabay kayo dyan ah. Sabay kayo ni Ann. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 10 seconds. Four, 3, 2, 1, go! Not too fast, Ann. Ayan lang, magalan mo. Masyado mabilis. Yan. Good. Nga. 3, 2, 1. Down. Good. Nga. 3, 2, 1. Go. Five. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Pace lang, ganun. Mabagal lang, ha? 1, ganyan. 2, 3. Nice, Bloss. Ganyan lang. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 5 lang. 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Good. Down. 3, 2, 1. Go. 5 ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, down, good. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, one more, and 3. No rep. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Do 3. Do 3 more. Jane, binibilang mo.
Last one.
Good. Go to 30s. Let's go. After 10, break mo into 3 ah. Let's go on. Break mo, break. Break your cluster. 1. After 10, rest. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Rest on 10. 7. 8. 9. One more, then rest. 10. Rest. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Ulot. Let's go, Blos. And 3. 2. 1. Up. Let's go. Do 10 again. 1. 2. 3. Nice, Blos. 4. 5. 5 more. 6. 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. 8. 9. Then rest. Ha? Kita. Ay, parang lumabas siya. Ano natin? Ready? Threes. Threes lang ah. Threes. 1, 2, 3. Down. Good. Jane, pabilang ah. 3, 2, 1. Up. Tatlo lang ulit. 1, 2. Okay. Twos na lang tayo. Twos na lang tayo. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. 2 lang. 2. 1, 2. Down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Good. Down. 3, 2, 1. Tayoan. Let's go. Up. Let's go. Umaya mo na isipin yung time. Let's go. Dalawa lang. Dalawa. Okay. Sabantay ako. Go, tayo.
Let's go, Ann. Last minute. 7 minutes. 1 minute na lang. 50 seconds. 40. Go lang, Ann. Go. 2. Up, Ann, up. Let's go, Ann. Nice. Sapa. Hinga. 5. 15 seconds. Up na, dali. 10. 5. 3. 1. Time. 8 minutes. Nice one, Ann. Hinga. 9:14. 40 seconds. Thirty. Hinga, hinga. 40. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 10-minute mark. Go. 10:05 na. Let's go on. Nice. Hinga, hinga. Tight. Nice one. Last one, An. Last one. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, An. Nice. Hinga. 10:40. 40? Okay.
1 minute rest daw, Vic.
Okay. 45.
Wala ko nag-1 hanggang 10 lang. 10, buhat na agad.
Pag di mo ginawa yan, pag di mo ginawa yan.
Ayoko na mag-gawin. Hindi ba ako bibigyan nito pag hindi ako
Yung dalawa lang yung pinigyan. Sige, ginawa sa ano.
Nice, Ad!
And 15 seconds, Ana. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. 11:40 na. 11:45. Go on. Pick up the bar. Let's go on. Twelve-minute mark. Let's go on. Hang. Nice one. Nice one. Last two. Nice. Last one.
Ilan nag-start yung movies? 16? 16.
Minute mark. 16 ka mag-start, di ba? For burpee, 16. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes na. $13.30 na, An. 1.5 minutes. Let's go. An, pick up na the bar. An, pick up the bar. 13:50 na. Last minute na to. 14 minutes na. 14. Hindi, hanggang ano lang. Hanggang 15 lang. Tapos force stress yung pang 15 to 16. 14:03 na. 14:10. Let's go. 14:20. Let's go, Ann. Nice. Last two. Last one. Last one. Nice one. Hinga, hinga. Rest. 1 minute rest. Okay, rest. Seconds. Up na, Ann. Big breath. Exhale, malakas. 20 seconds. Last 10. 5. Go! Nice. Nice one, Ann. mo lang, isa-isa. Piso-piso. Huwag kang titigil. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ubos. Let's go on, down. Last minute, last minute. seconds. 30 seconds. Go on. Nice one. Nice one. Sa pa. Apaan. 20 seconds. 20. 15. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's go. Isa paan. Isa paan. Isa pa up. Nice. Nice.
Nakita ba? 10 kgs and 2.5, ano to, coach?
KG ano to?
Nice one. On.
Ate Ice, KG ba to?
Ice, ano ba to? Kg o pound?
Play.
1.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds.
So 10 kg plus 2.5 pounds, tapos hindi ko alam kung 35 pounds. Bella pound.